Nucor, safety is our top priority. It's a fundamental value that guides our daily actions and decision-making processes. By fostering a culture of trust and open communication, we strive to create a workplace where everyone returns home the same way they left. Before steel is made, Nucor Steel Louisiana produces one of its most important raw materials, direct reduced iron. DRI starts as iron ore pellets, which are transformed into a purer form of iron by removing oxygen without melting the ore. The result is a high-quality iron unit that can be combined with recycled scrap in Nucor's steel mills to make advanced grades of steel. So, how do we turn iron ore into this valuable material? As the ore descends into the reduction zone, it encounters hot process gas flowing counter-currently. The process gas is a mixture of methane, along with hydrogen and carbon monoxide, also called syngas. The methane interacts with the catalytic iron bed and reforms steam and carbon dioxide, which yields the carbon monoxide and hydrogen in the following reactions. The carbon monoxide and hydrogen then remove the oxygen from the iron ore, producing a purer form of iron. The methane in the gas deposits carbon in the DRI, which is useful to our steelmaking customers.
Safety is our number one goal. You know, we say when you come in, you want to leave the same way you came in every day, and that's a big thing to us. Being your brother's keeper, looking out for your teammates. You know, a lot of companies preach it, but they don't live by it. Nucor's a company that lives by it.
We don't just talk the talk about safety here, we walk the walk.
When you build a culture of people that actually care about one another, you kind of take it to the next level. And that's what we are. We're a family here. Everybody cares about each other just like you care about your family at home. And everybody cares that each teammate gets back to their family at home.
Whenever I've been like other companies, you hear about safety. Well, here at Nucor, they include you in the process of making it safer. And so that's one thing, instead of having to follow these rules and just, oh, that's what they have and that's all we do, it's more of, hey, look, these are what we have so far, but how can we add to it? We want everyone's involvement. Hey, talk to your contractors, talk to your fellow co-workers, and also on your days off, to be looking for new ideas, new ways to make our culture better.
We don't do anything unless we can't guarantee it is the safest way possible of doing things.
The Mississippi River is our lifeline here, so if we don't keep our waterways clean, we don't keep our ground clean, our wetlands, things of that nature, then we won't be here.
The way Nucor Steel Louisiana focuses on improving the environment and being environmental stewards is not only do we take our byproduct, which is our fines, and send it to our briquetter and make bricks out of it, which we can recycle back into our system, in our silos, and send that out to customers. We also recycle our gas and clean our gas. We clean our water and we send it back to the river, cleaner than what we received it from the river.
I live here, so I want to ensure that we're doing the right things here because, you know, I have a family growing up around here as well.
Living in the community, hunting and fishing in South Louisiana is one of the biggest things as far as recreational activities. So we don't want to destroy what we have here, what we've been given here in South Louisiana.
Because of what St. James Parish had to offer us, and we want to make sure that, hey, we offer them the same thing. So we want to make sure that, hey, we live up to what we say we're going to do, and we're going to be environmental stewards and make sure that we're taking care of the community.
My family lives right down the street from this facility, and that's what's important in Nucor. We try to get involved in the community a lot more, so it's not just creating jobs for the adults or affecting the economy for the people that spend money. It's also building a future with the youth, getting involved for just different events going on in the community.
Nucor has also invested in our school by the Nucor Technical Program, where they've partnered with the schools and we've actually held some seminars in our building to where they can promote their program to our students. And every year they try to pick 2 students, one from each side of the river.
Technical Academy is a scholarship-based program where 2 people get chosen and sponsored by our mill to be sent up to Tuscaloosa. They go through Shelton State Community College out there. They go through some schooling, some on-the-job training, and by the time they're done 3 years later, they get back here, we get put to work.
Nucor Steel Louisiana's dedication to making a major footprint in the fight against cancer continues to bring the Relay for Life here in St. James Parish to new heights. This year, Nucor Steel, alongside the entire St. James Parish community, was able to raise over $500,000 in the fight against cancer.
Nucor has definitely been a good neighbor for us, and I think the children and families in our community see that as well. Nucor has been very generous in sending us volunteers to help out with the kids, doing the different projects, and also with donating some of the supplies that we really desperately needed to do this project. Nucor is a provider of STEM-related careers, and so we're getting kids started off early with an interest in science, technology, engineering, and math.
It was a couple of years ago we had a tornado that passed very close to the plant and affected neighborhoods, surrounding neighborhoods. A lot of teammates got together on their days off and went and helped with the cleanup effort.
The tornado hit our street. He knows about it. I think 16. Lester Hart and Nucor was the first there and the last to leave. You name it, they did it for my people.
They are extraordinarily dedicated and committed to making a difference. They're just an awesome group of individuals that are always looking for ways to help their community.
And I am comfortable with having Nucor as a neighbor. I'm pro-industry, especially when industry starts to hire local workers like Nucor currently is doing, and that just feeds back into our community.
They're only going to get better. They keep hiring good people, people who know how to interact with people, and people who know how to serve and not just come and do your job.
When you talk about being team, that's all part of it. They want to be a team in the community. They want to be invested in the community.
I grew up in St. James Parish, and I'm proud to work at Nucor.
I live in this community, and I'm proud to work at Nucor.
At Nucor, we're taking care of our environment and we're taking care of this community.